Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Calendar and automate scheduling with AI, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and go to the Google Calendar website. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, find and click on Import and Export. Scroll down to the Export section. Click on Export to download your calendar in a zip file. Locate the downloaded zip file on your device and extract it. Inside, you'll find an .ics file that contains your calendar data. Now, open your preferred AI scheduling tool. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in if you do. Look for an option to import an existing calendar. Select the .ics file you extracted earlier. Follow the prompts to integrate this file with the AI scheduling tool. Once imported, review the settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Now, you can start using the AI tool for scheduling. Set up your availability preferences within the AI tool. Explore any automation features offered, such as suggested meeting times. Make any necessary adjustments based on your unique scheduling needs. Save your settings, and you'll be ready to automate your scheduling. As you receive meeting requests, the AI will suggest optimal times based on your calendar. Monitor the scheduling to ensure it aligns with your expectations. With these steps, you can efficiently automate your scheduling using Google Calendar and AI tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.